What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. All right, so today's ticker symbol that we're breaking down is AMC. I have a lot more videos to make today since you guys are finally putting stocks for me to break down in the comment box below, which helps me make more content for you guys. And of course, if you're going to put a stock below that you want me to break down, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot to me. It allows me to make these videos every single day. So let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. The market has been open for about 30 minutes. We're up 7% right now, currently at $10.04. So right now we are on the daily time frame. We always start at the daily time frame or a higher time frame. It doesn't really matter as long as you're starting from a higher time frame. What this allows you to do is see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in to get the best analysis that we can to further predict our next move. So starting from a smaller time frame, this will basically put you in a vacuum and ultimately have you trading blind. And we don't do that here at Wall Street Traders, guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. Like always, I'm going to explain to you how I found these lines and what they represent. This top line up here represents a major resistance that has been tested at the highest level. We look left, we have these three candlesticks that have been rejected off of this area. We have this middle candlestick over here. It's a hammer stick candle that came up and ultimately got rejected all the way back down here. And if we were to go back further in time, I'm sure we could find more, but since we're in this area, we're going to stick to this area for now. But if you needed more prior information, you could always look left. So in this line right here represents our major support line, and this can also be tested. We look left like Beyonce says, guys. We have these two candlesticks here. We have two on the opposite side working as resistance, and we have about these 3 or 4 on our support. And we have one under working as resistance, and then these 3 working on our support. So where are we currently? Well, let's zoom in. All right, so this white line represents a minor resistance. You can put these lines and they will help you. If you look left, we have all of these candlesticks hitting up in this area. We keep looking left, we have more. So where we're at right now, we have a doji candlestick right now gapping up into where we're gapping. It's always a good sign to see that we gap up. It just shows that buyers are stepping up, but are we really in control yet? Right now, I would say it's too early to confirm this because of the minor resistance of where we're at. If we can break above this, you guys, so, excuse me, you have 2 options for getting into this stock. You can either wait until we hit this resistance level, have your entry right above that. So if we do create a breakout, you'll be tagged in and you can ride it to the next highest point, that being back up here at the $14 area. And then obviously have your stop loss back below that minor resistance. So if it does break back below, you'll be tagged out and out of the trade. And then obviously your second option is to wait for this to create that breakout, have more of a clear direction on where we're headed, and then to pull back on top of that support. So right now we're under it. We want to come back down and test this level so we know that buyers are truly stepping up, and that would be a great buyer opportunity. Obviously, it'd be basically the same thing. You would wait for it to break out, come back down. Once it comes back down and test in this 1070, 50 area, you could put your entry there and then obviously have your stop loss below that minor resistance. So if things go sour and it dips below that, you'll be tagged out and protecting your portfolio, which is the name of the game, you guys. And then ultimately, if we do not get past this minor resistance, you could look for another entry back down here at our major support level at the $830 area, and then obviously have your stop loss below that major support line. I would actually give it some room because of the candlestick wicks that we have over here. I would put them below this level, maybe around the 750 area, just to kind of give you some extra room for that. So like I said, you guys, I have a lot more videos I have to make today. If you guys have any stocks that you want me to break down, make sure you put them in the comment box below, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, you guys. I wasn't going to mention this until a little bit later, but once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving back to one of you guys, one of my subscribers, $10,000 cash. I will fly to your house and give you this cash. So please hit that button, and lucky you might be that lucky number 1. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.